Digital marketing is one of the few fields where beginners can get a job fast and even work from home without a degree or any prior experience. There are some really great courses out there, but it's easy to get stuck on learning without getting a job. So Google has launched their own career program called a Digital Marketing Professional Certificate, which claims to make beginners job ready in less than 6 months. The total cost of this program is very low, so the big investment here is your time. There are over 200,000 job openings in digital marketing in the US alone. Will this certificate really make you job ready and help you land a job as a new digital marketer? I've been reviewing many courses, but the Google certificates always impress me, so I have my hopes up for this one. Now it comes with 7 different courses, and once you finish all the courses you receive a final certificate at the end. This one is directly by Google and it's verifiable and never expires, so you can add it to your LinkedIn profile or your resume or anywhere else. When you complete the certificate, you also get the opportunity to connect with 150 US companies that have agreed to hire beginners with this exact certificate. And that is pretty cool because it means that companies actually value this certificate. It's not just a random Udemy course. Some of these companies include Google themselves, Salesforce, Adobe, T-Mobile, Wells Fargo, and so on. So you should definitely take advantage of this. I mean, we're talking about multiple Fortune 500 companies with lots of jobs available. The course itself will take roughly 6 months at 10 hours per week, but if you want to complete it faster, that is totally fine. I know many people that did it in a month or 2. It is also completely flexible. There are no live lectures or anything. Everything is pre-recorded and the assignments are available online at your own time. Now the course does come at a cost, which is around $49 per month for the Coursera Plus subscription, but the price will depend on your location. Now you can actually go through all of the material for free by clicking here and then on audit mode, which is a really good idea to do to see if you like the course. But to complete assignments, you'll need a subscription, and I personally believe that investing something in your learning is really important because it motivates you and helps you to stay disciplined and actually complete the courses. They do also offer financial aid for those who need it, so you might want to look into that. Now I'm going to break down all the courses and what you'll learn really quick. You will learn both digital marketing and e-commerce, which are 2 different things, but they also go hand in hand. We have an online store and we use marketing to promote it and get customers. So both parts are really important. The 7 different courses start with the foundations of digital marketing and then how to attract the right customers, and then how to interact with these customers online, and then something really important in course 4 called email marketing, which is used to communicate and sell to your audience and your customers. Course 5 is all about analytics and understanding what's going on in your business, because that's how we make improvements. We learn from our data and we learn from our past. Although I feel like we in society make the same mistakes over and over, so maybe that's not true. Anyway, enough of the philosophical discussion. Course 6 is all about e-commerce and building online stores to sell products online. This is really important. We buy everything online nowadays and the market is huge. The final course, number 7, is all about how to make sure customers are happy and stay loyal to your brand and buy again and again. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Before this, I have not taken this entire certificate myself, and I just want to be honest about that, but I have a lot of experience in marketing and e-commerce, and I've also asked around and read reviews from lots of different people. There are a couple of things that I saw very frequently, and I want to point these out to you guys as pros and cons before you get started, because it's quite a big time investment and you don't want to realize this when it's too late. So let's get into the pros. What I really like about this course is how practical it is. It is always like this with Google courses. They have a lot of assignments, a lot of practical things, a lot of mini projects, and so on. And this is super valuable. It's gonna help you learn way faster, and it's much more fun than just watching a presentation. The next thing I like about this course is the credibility from the program itself. You're learning from a good established source, a well-known company, Google. It's not an outdated university course. The material is actually fresh. And that is really important because in digital marketing, things can change pretty quick, and it's great to have some updated knowledge. Also, the certificate you get at the end is directly by Google, and that's going to be really helpful since people will actually recognize that it's Google. I also really like all the job resources provided because in the final course you'll spend some time putting together a portfolio under their guidance, and also how to make a good resume for digital marketing jobs. They will also teach you how to find jobs and how to prepare for an interview. And all of this is super important. Sure, it's not directly related to digital marketing, but it's going to be more important and super helpful more than anything else when it comes to landing a job. They also offer some exclusive career resources which you receive access to after completing the certificate, and all of these are just really great. Google is going above and beyond to help you succeed after the program, and I really like that they don't just leave you hanging when you're done with the course, like so many other programs do. Now, there aren't that many downsides, but they might be important to you, so I just want to point them out anyway. One downside I see is really how broad the course is. Digital marketing is a huge field, and it's the same with e-commerce. Making a course that just teaches the fundamentals of digital marketing and tries to get that to e-commerce is not an easy thing to do. It's a super broad subject, and I think Google has done a great job, but it is really important to understand that this is a very broad general course. If you're specifically looking for a job in, let's say, email marketing or paid ads or something else, you will probably have to specialize and learn a little bit more. This can be by doing projects, by getting an internship, or anything else. Just know that specialization is the key to success in any area that you want to work in. Employers really appreciate it, and you will perform way better. My final conclusion is pretty simple. I definitely recommend this course, but I especially recommend this course to people that want to work in digital marketing, for example, in a company. If you're looking to start a business, I would say that you should learn by doing in the real world. Sure, it's going to help, but I would say that it's more focusing on those looking to get a job, and this will be a great thing to have, and I definitely recommend this program. I'll leave a link in the description, including any special sales or any deals going on, so check that out in the description below. And that is it for this video. Subscribe for more and watch this video next.